Hi, in this video let's go ahead and learn about how to use grouping by keyword. So this is very powerful and basically allows us to group our data based on column. So a good candidate for grouping in our data is set the actual country. Let's say that we want to find out how many people that we have each four countries that we have. If pretty much just select and then distinct and then country of birth from person and then press enter, you can see that these all are the countries that we have. So in total 124 countries. But let's say that we want to find out how many people that we have each for countries. For that we can use the group by. So group by work as follow the select and then actual column name. So let's go ahead and say country and then of birth, and then if I say from and then person, and then let's say go ahead and say group. So this is actual keyword, so group and then by and the actual column, so country of and then birth. So if I run this query, this will not gonna work. I'm gonna explain why in a second. If I run this, you will see that pretty much just grouping by country of code, so country of birth, but we are not getting the actual number of people each country, and this is because we have select a second column. Now I will give you a second to see if can pretty much just guess what columns that we need to select from here, and it's none of column that we have specified. Can you guess? Well, the column is actually count, so we can use count, and this is not really a column, just a function that count. So let's go ahead and say select start then count everyone from this country of birth, right? So we can select country of birth and then it also does a count on an actual country of birth. So if I press enter, now we can see that we have a Bangladesh, Indonesia, so on so forth. So in fact let me go ahead and sort this. So order and then by country of birth, and so my column and enter, and I can see the data organized. So Afghanistan, Argentina and China. Then you can scroll down and see Indonesia. So they have a big population there as well. And basically that's we all have. So very simple and very powerful, because sometimes you want to get statistics out of your database, and this is how you use group keyword.